Select Generate Smart Key. Choose Volkswagen. Select the corresponding menu. Put the key of Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. Return to main menu. After welding the original car key, connect it to a PD40 adapter. Connect the Add P40 adapter to our K518 Pro. Select Demo and Remote. Volkswagen. MQB49 menu. Now we choose to generate dealer key encrypted menu. Read working key. OK. The adapter is connected. Click OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. OK. Reading data. We choose to use Lonsdor key for copying. OK. Put the smart key into the card slot and click OK to continue. Generate the dealer key and lock the key successfully. Then, we plug in OBD. We enter Learn key. Select the first menu. OK. Click OK according to the prompts. Select the third file. OK. Turn on the ignition. OK. Smart key. Click OK. Enter the number of keys to program to. OK. Hold the first key close to the ignition coil. The original car key is installed with the battery. Paste it on the sensing area. Click OK. Learning the key. The first key to learning success. Hold the second key close to the ignition coil. Keep the new key close to the sensing area. Learning the key. Learning complete. Now, let's try it. Can the programmed key drive normally? Take the other keys out of the car. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. Unlock. Lock the car.